Durall Industrial Flooring is a family-owned and operated epoxy flooring supplier located in Bloomington, Minnesota. We have been in business for over 50 years while serving the industrial and residential flooring markets. Over that period, we have sold products to Coca-Cola, General Mills, GE, Delta Airlines, Winnebago, and Pillsbury, just to name a few of the more well-known businesses that have relied on our products for their facilities. We are a one-stop shop for everything a home or business owner would need to install an industrial-grade resinous flooring system. We package our products and tailor them to our customers' specific needs, whether they are epoxy or urethane or even a hybrid-based system. Typical spaces using these systems include warehouses, hangars, motorplexes, food processing facilities, commercial kitchens, printing, labs and clean rooms, amongst many more. In the end, most applications are unique. Some may require more abrasive resistant coatings, while others may need waterproofing membranes or coatings that specialize in chemical resistance. Our wide range of systems will provide you with the right fit for your project. Our main focus is providing products and systems that are tailored to our customers' unique needs, coupled with excellent customer service along the way. Durall is available for technical assistance throughout your entire project and will walk you through each step of the installation process to make sure you get it right the first time.